Unit 1, Our India, Land and Climate. Chapter 1, Our Country, India. Get set. India is our nation. How much do you know about India so far? Answer the following questions to check. What was the country called in ancient times? When did the country gain independence from British rule? Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Who wrote the national anthem of the country? India, the country we live in, is officially known as the Republic of India. New Delhi serves as its capital. It is also known by the names Hindustan and Bharat. Lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, the country extends between 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes latitude north of the equator and 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes longitudes east of it. It is situated in South Asia and is bordered by Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest, China, Bhutan and Nepal to the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Being a peninsula, India is surrounded by the 3 major water bodies of the Arabian Sea to the west, the Indian Ocean to the south, and the Bay of Bengal to the east. India is world's 7th largest country in terms of area, stretched over an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. It is the most populated country in the world. India is a democratic country admired across the world for its rich culture and traditions. It believes in the principle of unity in diversity. It has diversity in language, food, folk dance, clothes, cultures, and traditions. Here, people belonging to different religions, Hindu, Muslims, Sikhs, and Christians, live in harmony with each other. Chirpy says, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Physical and political divisions. India is known for its diverse topography. The wide range of physical features makes the country a total geographical study. India is one of those places which has every possible landscape that the world has. It has cold mountains, arid deserts, vast plains, hot and humid plateaus, wide seashores, and tropical islands. India can be divided into following physical divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal regions, islands. Think a while. Which of the above physical features do you live in? India is a union of states and union territories. For the purpose of administration, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The states differ as to the size of the territory population, languages, as well as historical, economic, and cultural development. NCT of Delhi is the largest metropolis in India. It has its own legislative assembly, lieutenant, governor, council of ministers, and chief minister. Weather and climate. Owing to the variety in land features, we find different types of climate in India. Due to snow-capped mountains, there is much cold in the hills. The plains have an extreme climate, that is, they are cold in winters and hot in summers because they are away from the sea. The climate in South India is mostly moderate, that is, it is neither very hot nor very cold because of the presence of the Bay of Bengal to the east and the Indian Ocean to the south. Rainfall in India is mainly brought by the monsoon winds. They rise from the Indian Ocean and sweep over India. They strike the mountains and revert to bring rainfall to North India. Quick review. India is officially known as the Republic of India. It lies entirely in the northern hemisphere in South Asia. It is the world's 7th largest country in terms of area and the most populated country in the world. It has cold mountains, arid deserts, vast plains, hot and humid plateaus, wide seashores, and tropical islands. For the purpose of administration, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Rainfall in India is mainly brought by the monsoon winds.